Hi Tabooligans, hi angels, it's Sandy Taboo. Today we're doing Frutiger Metro makeup. I started off by applying a white eyeshadow to my inner corners with my fingers. 3/4 of the way to the end of my eye, I applied a light purple eyeshadow. At the end of my eye to the temples, I applied a more vibrant purple eyeshadow. As y'all know, I love dramatic makeup. I like to have my makeup extend past where my eyes stop. And I think that's why I also have skinny brows, because I need more space to design the face. Blood red taboo liner for the eyebrows. I wanted to do something cyber-esque. I did a thin red line with an X in between, and then I just do my typical black wing liner. How I line my eyes with taboo liner, it's made up of a bunch of small lines and small strokes. I don't like tugging on my eyelids either. First, I'll tilt my head back and make a bunch of small lines in order to get the thickness that I like. And then I tilt my chin down so I can get the wing. I make a diagonal line from the bottom outer corner and I curve the end of the wing upwards. And I want them to look more lifted. And then after that, I just thicken it up. I connect the end of the wing to the line that I just made. I only do the bottom waterline with black eyeliner halfway. Who here knows about Frutiger Metro or Frutiger Aero, the more popular one that people know? A little history lesson on Frutiger Aero. Frutiger Aero started because this is when they were advancing in technology about 15-20 years ago. With the graphics they have in Frutiger Aero, they had high hopes for technology, and this is the optimistic future that they thought technology would turn out to be. So in Frutiger Aero, you'll see water and bubbles, light blue and white, heavenly colors, and pretty futuristic feel. They were just so hopeful back then. I wonder what those people think now with AI being a boom. So Frutiger Metro is a subcategory from Frutiger Aero, and I like Frutiger Metro way more. I think people get these two mixed up because they don't know what Frutiger Metro is, and neither did I until I just kept researching about these styles. Frutiger Metro is a more 2D graphic. A popular reference to it would be the Apple dancing silhouette advertisements. I immediately think of old nail designs, a bunch of wispy lines that overlap each other. Layers of lines. Frutiger Metro, they really layer circles, stars, skulls, hearts, music notes. I find them to be really cute graphics, dots. It's just a bunch of layering. The aesthetic of Frutiger Metro, for some reason, it feels pretty punk to me. That's the Frutiger Metro that I go for, because there's also Frutiger Metro that's with butterflies and the color palettes are pastel colors, and for the most part it's asymmetrical. I have really been enjoying the color combinations of purple and red together. And then my eye contacts, I wanted to wear a cyber eye and a red eye. For the rest of the designs, I'm really just freehanding. If you don't know where to go, you should look at references. I would say a couple of different images and just bounce back between those. I wanted to do the wispy, curvy lines with stars, and I wanted to layer black on top as well. To make perfect circles, I painted the end of my Manic Panic lipstick with taboo liner and pearl white. I took the cap, put it where I wanted it to be, and I went in and just thickened it up more. I also put a filled in circle in the middle of it to give it that effect. And I really just did that for both eyes. They love stripes, they love just patterns, so just have fun with it, honestly. That is all for my look today. Taboo liners in the description. I just repeated the same thing on both eyes, or at least tried to. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye. Love y'all.